In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome not responding. If Chrome is freezing, hanging, or showing that dreaded not responding message on Windows 10 or Windows 11, follow along as we work through the quickest, most reliable fixes in order. Start by force closing Chrome. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Find Google Chrome in the list, right-click it, and choose End Task. This shuts down any stuck background processes. Then reopen Chrome and see if it's responsive again. If the issue returns, restart your computer. A fresh restart clears hung system processes and memory conflicts that commonly cause Chrome to lock up, and it takes just a minute. Next, check your extensions. Broken or overloaded add-ons are a top cause of freezes. Open Chrome and go to Chrome/extensions. Turn off all extensions, then restart Chrome. If it works now, re-enable your extensions one by one, testing after each toggle to find the culprit. Extensions for ad blocking, AI tools, tab management, or download helpers are frequent offenders when misconfigured or out of date. If you still have trouble, clear Chrome's cache. In Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Select cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then click Delete Data. This removes corrupt cache entries and stale cookies that can break pages and slow the browser. Note that you may be signed out of some sites afterward. Make sure Chrome itself is up to date. Click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them automatically. Outdated builds can freeze due to bugs or security issues, so this step is important. If you're seeing black screens or stutters, turn off hardware acceleration. Visit Chrome/Settings System and switch off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, then relaunch Chrome when prompted. Also consider your system load. Too many tabs or heavy apps can tie up RAM and CPU. Close unused tabs, exit games or resource-hungry apps, and pause or restart large downloads to free resources. If Chrome still won't behave, rebuild its profile data. Close Chrome completely. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %/Google, and press Enter. Rename the Chrome folder to Chrome.old, then open Chrome again. This creates a fresh profile and often fixes corruption. You may be signed out temporarily. As a last resort, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it from Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, restart your PC, then download the latest installer from the official Google Chrome download page and reinstall. After that, you should be back to a smooth, responsive browser.